Hey guys, this is the screencast of the first week of the next 3 weeks that we will be off and out of school. So this is the internet version. So I'm going to go over just for the week what you guys have to do. So you only have 4 days this week because today is Monday and it is currently still spring break. So starting tomorrow, if you look at this chart, we have ELA, math, Schiller only. So if you are in my math class, you will pay attention to this. If you are not in my math class, you will get something from your teacher. We have reading, social studies, science, and spelling. Alright, so this is, like I said, the internet version. So this is everything online. Starting tomorrow, these will be your assignments for Tuesday. I'm going to highlight them in gray so you can see. Zoom out a little bit. Okay. So for Tuesday, you have Khan Academy, you have nouns, you're going to go through the videos and activities. This is going to take 2 days. There are a lot. I think there's like 20 something activities for you to do. Most of them are videos. You guys know how Khan Academy works. So that's going to take 2 days. If you get it done in 1 day, great. Then Wednesday, you get to kind of chill a little bit. But we are only supposed to keep you going in each particular subject for 15 to 20 minutes a day. So I would split it into 2, that way you're not stressed. I'm going to skip math for now, I'll go back over that in a second. Then reading, you'll find the videos starting tomorrow for rules pages 1 through 20. You don't have the book, and that's okay. You're going to just listen and follow along. Social studies, we have Khan Academy, Ancient Rome. I will post that to you tomorrow. It's just an overview video. Just take some notes. They don't have to be super detailed on your own paper, or you can type your notes out and save it as you keep going. I don't want the notes till the end of the week. Let's see, science, you're going to read these pages, and you're going to copy the vocab and the layers of atmosphere, page D7, into your notes. And then spelling, you'll have Spelling City, 1 activity a day until April 30th. This is going to change that last week, but I didn't feel like retyping it out. So this is just an overview of Tuesday, okay? Wednesday, very similar. You still have Khan Academy. You're going to read more rules. You still have some stuff with Ancient Rome on Khan Academy. You're going to read in your science book. You're going to do an activity for Spelling City. Not too difficult. Thursday, same type of thing. So Khan Academy is verbs this time. Lots of activities again, so it's going to span over Thursday and Friday. You're going to read those pages with rules with me. You're going to listen to the video. Another Khan Academy Rome video. You're going to take notes again. Again, we're still reading in the same science book. You guys are going to read these pages, copy the vocab into the notes. On page D15, you're going to answer questions 1 through 5. You guys know what that is. It's the questions at the end of the lesson. We've done it before. And Spelling City again. And then Friday, you're going to finish up your verbs. Oops. Accidentally didn't mean to do that. Okay, so Friday, you're going to finish up verbs. And then read these pages for rules, and then you'll take a break over the weekend. You have 1 more Khan Academy video for Ancient Rome. Then on science, you're going to go outside at 10 o'clock, 12 o'clock, and 2 o'clock and figure out what cloud formation you see. You're going to see that on Wednesday you had to type in you had to not type in, excuse me. You had to find the types of clouds and put them into your notes. And so then you're going to go out and see if the cloud formations change throughout the day. They might not. It might be perfectly sunny and there might not be clouds. All you have to do is put 10 o'clock, what type of cloud it was, 12 o'clock, maybe there were no clouds, 2 o'clock, what type of cloud it was. It's just what you see. Okay, and I can't tell you for science what you can and can't see because we are in different areas. I live in Jerseyville, you might live in Brighton, you might live in Shipman, you might live in Medora, you might live in Piasaw. I can't tell you what you're seeing in the sky. And then spelling is 1 activity again for that Friday. So that is for the week through Friday. I'm going to do this weekly. You're not going to see this. I'm not going to go over the whole document right now. I don't have enough time in the video. Real quick, if you are not in my math class, you can exit out of this video. If you are in my math class, I want to show you what you're doing for Tuesday through Friday. So, on Tuesday, you have add, subtract, multiply, and divide decimals. This is a pretty long lesson because I'm having you meet a lot of standards. So it will be continuing on Tuesday. If you do not get everything done Tuesday in your 15 to 30 minute range, then keep it for Wednesday, okay? So don't freak out. If you get everything done on freckle, add, subtract, multiply, and divide on Tuesday, then you kind of get a break on Wednesday. If you don't get it done Tuesday, you have Wednesday to continue that. This is a pretty long lesson, so please take your time. On Thursday, we have freckle again. We're going to be using that a lot. We have division of fractions. So that one, again, lots of standards that you have to meet. So I've decided to continue it into Friday. What you are doing in my class is not what the other teachers are doing in their classes. So if you have a friend in a different class and they're like, well, we're doing this, well, don't follow them. Okay, you need to do the Schiller math class only. And if you're still listening and you are not in my math class, you need to make sure you're checking in with your teacher so you know what you're doing. So if you're in Mrs. Campion's class, Mrs. Lawson, or Mr. Dar's class, check in with them for math, not for me. Okay, so hopefully this makes sense. This is just for the week of April 14th through 17th. I'm going to send these out weekly. I'm going to send out everything through email, but I'm going to send out the videos weekly so I can go over it and explain anything you might need. It's pretty self-explanatory, but as always, if you have questions, please let me know, and I will hopefully answer them for you.